Southern California is caught in a dangerous dance with the elements. Dry conditions have plagued the region, setting the stage for wildfires. Now, strong winds whip through the landscape, turning the dry vegetation into a tinderbox. These winds, with gusts reaching a menacing 60 miles per hour, are a recipe for disaster. Red flag warnings, signaling critical fire risk, blanket Los Angeles and Ventura counties. They serve as a stark reminder of the ever-present threat of wildfire in this arid environment. The Santa Ana winds, infamous for their role in fueling some of California's most destructive wildfires, are a major concern. These hot, dry winds, originating in the Great Basin, can quickly turn a small spark into an uncontrollable inferno. Residents watch the skies nervously, aware that the slightest ember could ignite a conflagration. The situation remains volatile, a stark reminder of the delicate balance between nature's fury and human vulnerability. The recent Palisades Fire serves as a grim testament to the destructive power of wildfires in Southern California. This blaze, fueled by dry conditions and driven by relentless winds, tore through thousands of acres, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Homes were reduced to ash, their former occupants left to grapple with the loss. Among the victims is Chef Daniel Shemtov, his home a casualty of the inferno. The firestorm, visible for miles, cast an eerie orange glow across the night sky. Residents, forced to evacuate their homes, could only watch helplessly as the flames consumed their community. The Palisades Fire, though now partially contained, serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present threat of wildfires in the region. It is a stark symbol of the destructive forces that nature can unleash. As Southern California braces for the ongoing fire threat, another weather event looms on the horizon: rain. While rain might seem like a welcome respite from the flames, it brings with it a new set of challenges. The parched earth, unable to absorb large amounts of water quickly, could lead to dangerous flash floods and mudslides. The burn scars left by the wildfires exacerbate this risk, leaving the land vulnerable to erosion and landslides. The potential for rain presents a double-edged sword. On one hand, it could help extinguish the remaining embers of the wildfires, offering much-needed relief to firefighters. On the other hand, the heavy rainfall could mobilize toxic ash and debris, washing them into waterways and posing a significant threat to water quality and marine life. This toxic runoff could have long-lasting consequences for the environment and public health, further compounding the disaster. In the face of this unfolding crisis, government officials are scrambling to mitigate the damage and protect communities. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass has taken decisive action, issuing an executive order to expedite cleanup efforts and address the environmental hazards posed by the wildfires. Crews are working tirelessly to clear debris, stabilize hillsides, and install barriers to prevent mudslides. However, the road to recovery will be long and arduous. The scars left by the wildfires, both physical and emotional, will take time to heal. The threat of future fires and the looming risk of mudslides serve as constant reminders of the vulnerability of life in Southern California. The situation underscores the need for proactive measures to address climate change, improve forest management, and enhance community preparedness for natural disasters.